Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI.
I have kids, and my kids make a mess. They are super messy. And yes, a lot of people say I shouldn't let my kids eat on the couch, but I do. So it gets really messy and looks super gross. This upholstery brush has been my couch's new best friend. It is hard enough to get those stains out, but soft enough not to damage your couch. As you can see, my couch cushion got super gross. It's sticky. There's a lot of food and things caked on. It is really disgusting. So this upholstery brush really has helped. As you can see, it's a huge difference, and I only needed to do this twice.
So if you're trying to be more efficient in cleaning your upholstery, I would definitely recommend this product. It is gentle yet abrasive at the same time. It is definitely a big help when trying to get out those tough stains or even the minor stains. I would highly recommend this product, and that's my point of view.